So today we are going to be looking at all of the vending machines in Bladers Rebirth. So the first one would be over here. Then there are 5 inside the shop over here. And there's 1. Back here. There is another one at the top of the tower. Just gonna take a minute. Okay, so here it is. There are lastly a couple more in the back by this tower. Here, some over here, some over here. So anyway, that should be all of the vending machines. So thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button.